Hi, doing a video here of my 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. I'm in Joliet, Illinois. Just last Wednesday, it was in the 50s here, and I was riding my bike to work. And today, or Thursday, we had just about 8 inches of snow on the ground. So a little bit different, wild winter weather here. I wanted to give everybody a little update here. This is a 2012 model. I bought this in late 2011. It arrived. It was built in Japan. This is a dual sport street trail bike. I call it an adventure touring bike. Wanted to give everybody a couple, just a little bit of a rundown here on what this bike has. Just going to go through real quick here. This has a drive mode on it. It has two different modes. It has a touring mode and a sport mode. These are located up here on the handlebar area. Touring mode is more when you're on the open road, and it gives you better fuel economy and makes the engine run a little bit different. The sport mode, when it's in sport mode, it runs more like an inline 4 Yamaha R1. It has ABS brakes and UBS brakes, which is a unified braking system. It has a traction control mode up here in the front with a button. You can have traction control mode off, 1 or 2, and that determines what you want to have. Like if you're off-road, you can set it to just off, and it'll act more like a dirt bike, or 1 and 2. It gives you different conditions. It's got a speedometer, tachometer, odometer. It's got a reserve trip meter, a clock, fuel meter, air intake temperature, coolant temperature, fuel and consumption display, miles per gallon. It's got a backlight panel here on the tachometer, speedometer area that you can adjust the brightness. It has 7.5 front and rear wheel travel. 6.0 gallon tank. You can adjust the seat between 33.3 and 34.3 inches. It has the windshield up front here. It has a 12-volt jack. The ground clearance of the bike is 8 inches. 575 pounds wet. That's with water, fuel, oil, everything in it. It's a 1200 cc liquid cooled double overhead cam 4-stroke inline 2. It has electronic fuel injection. It's shaft drive. It's just a pretty awesome motorcycle. I couldn't believe that Yamaha actually brought this bike to America, because for years we're always stuck in America with which I consider cheaper street trail motorcycles. We never had a high quality bike like this, even though the Tenere was for sale in Europe and other countries as a 660 model, I believe. And they finally decided to bring the 1200 to America in 2012. And I just had to grab one. Like I said, we've had some wild Chicago weather here in the last month. This is the first significant snowstorm we've had. I'll probably finally have the chance to drive the Yamaha snowmobile. But just wanted to give everybody a little preview of my latest bike here. Lots of fun to ride, very comfortable, very fast. Just another great product from Yamaha. Thanks a lot for watching.